Hope this thing records voice.
Yeah.
Now,
Nothing never start recording.
you see, what you see here, I would like to record myself.
It's supposed to be. Okay, don't start.
Let's see if there is dust. There is no dust. There is dust. You see? There's dust. Before you started recording, there is dust. Surprisingly, there is dust. Now, how did dust get inside this? How did dust get inside? That's the question. Well, there's surprisingly no dust here. How did dust get on this? You wonder. You say it's from it sucks air from the filter there, so we have to first clean that filter. Remember the filter we clean in the radio transmitter?
Yeah.
We're going to clean the filter. So John, you get Allen key. It's small. Get the Allen key box. Bring it down here. Bring the Allen key, and we're going to lose and clean that filter part. Now it means that a little bit of dust could pass through that filter
and get inside.
And get inside the module.
Okay.
Now these modules you see here are called the power amplifier modules. They are.
Yeah.
I want that guy to come. Now these modules are the power amplifier modules. John, lose the Allen key, find the size, and lose the filter port. Now, these are the power amplifier modules. I hope you're listening to these power amplifier modules. Now, remember that what makes up the radio transmitter there is the tube. It's the tube that made up the power amplifier there. And that type of power amplifier is a tetrode tube, high beam tetrode. Power amplifier, C-class, operated in C-class. Anything operated in C-class has a very high efficiency, but a lot of power wastage. In the case of this one, this is a solid state technology, maybe making use of some I think is it MESFET transistors, and these are very strong transistors that are capable of high RF amplification. So what we want to do in this maintenance now is to clean and check their status. Check if there are burn marks on them, and if there are no burn marks, we report that there are no burn marks on it. That's also maintenance. Clean it up, polish it, make sure it's shiny. Check for partial contact. I think you can remember me saying that last time. Yeah. Check for partial contact. Check for burn marks. Check for many other things, as much as general observation of it you can find. And as if one wants to get stupid, you find out that a whole bulk of this power amplifier is made up of the heat sink. Maybe you have not seen that yet, but come back, you will see that this is a heat sink. The heat generated by this power amplifier is incredible. In fact, the mass of this power amplifier is more of the mass of the heat sink. And you see that the fans are picking air from the fans here. You can see the fans here, which we have to clean because they are quite dusty now. And the fans pick air. The first we call it force cool. They pull out, not force, they pull out the air through the filter in the front, which passes through the chimneys of the heat sink, so that the heat sink does not get hot. The reason is because this MOSFET generates a lot of temperature, a lot of high temperatures are generated.